Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Forney Easyweld 261. This is a perfect entry-level welder and a great MIG welder for use. It has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control so you can dial in the perfect weld. This Forney Easyweld machine is easy to use with the 0.30 in flux core wire. It can do 0.035 wire, but we do not recommend it because it reduces the duty cycle of the machine. The one thing this welder doesn't offer is true MIG capability. Flux core wire doesn't deliver the same clean, indestructible level of welding as a gas-shielded arc. It has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control so you can dial in the perfect weld. Perfect entry-level welder. Lightweight 19 pounds, easily carried to any do-it-yourself, maintenance, repair, metal fabrication and hobbyist project. Inverter technology is lighter than traditional transformers used in most welders, meaning this welder delivers 140 amps even though it only weighs 19 pounds. Small, effluent, great powerful MIG welder. Does everything it's supposed to and performs great so far. For details, let's watch more.
140 FCI. FCI stands for Flux Core Inverter. Let's open it up and show you what's inside. This basic flux core inverter welding machine does not require gas. Some people may call it a MIG machine, but it is more correctly called a wire feed welder because gas cannot be added to this machine. Instead, you must use a flux cord wire for your filler metal. It comes with a quick start guide, owner's manual, Forney Industries contact information, a 15 to 20 amp plug adapter, a ground clamp, torch, and an extra contact tip. The 140 FCI uses up to 030 flux cord wire. With flux cord wire, the flux is built into the wire and provides the shielding needed over the molten weld puddle. This machine can easily accept and drive a 10-pound spool of wire. The left knob is to adjust your voltage, and the right knob is for your wire feed speed. Remember to wear the proper personal protective gear, non-flammable clothing like cotton or denim, safety glasses, a welding helmet, welding gloves, and an FR jacket. The 140 FCI is a great machine for do-it-yourselfers, maintenance and repair, metal fabrication, and hobbyists, and it comes with a 6-month.
Our second best MIG welder for beginners is LOTOS Mig 140 welder. This welder is built with sturdy materials, reassuring consumers that it can weld stainless steel, 18 gauge 3x16 inch, mild steel 18 gauge 3x16 inch, aluminum 1x8 inch or thinner. Suitable for welding stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum, and other metal materials. High quality aluminum wire feeder, much more stable and better user experience. The transformer technology has been proven to be reliable and durable. MIG 140 can easily connect it to your existing 110 volts wall outlet and can be set up quickly within 10 minutes. This welds flux core much better than my previous welder, which was AC output. The durable high quality aluminum wire feeder offers a much more stable and better welding experience. Welding stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum with a spool gun, not included in the package, need to purchase separate, and other metal materials. Third pick in our list is Lincoln Electric K2185. The Lincoln Electric Powermate 210 might be one of the most versatile welder around. Weighing just 40 pounds and capable of running off 120 or 230 volts, you can take the welder anywhere, plug it in and go. This MIG welder for beginners can also be used for TIG, stick or even flux cord welding. This Lincoln Electric Handy MIG portable welder is a compact, lightweight welder that makes a great choice for home repairs and hobby projects on light gauge mild steel. This welder is awesome, just what I've been wanting. Perfect for hobby welding. Easy to use and easily able to put to use. Our second best MIG welder for beginners is LOTOS Mig 140 welder. This welder is built with sturdy materials, reassuring consumers that it can weld stainless steel, 18 gauge 3x16 inch, mild steel 18 gauge 3x16 inch, aluminum 1x8 inch or thinner. Suitable for welding stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum, and other metal materials. High quality aluminum wire feeder, much more stable and better user experience. The transformer technology has been proven to be reliable and durable. MIG 140 can easily connect it to your existing 110 volts wall outlet and can be set up quickly within 10 minutes. This welds flux core much better than my previous welder, which was AC output. The durable high-quality aluminum wire feeder offers a much more stable and better welding experience. Welding stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum with a spool gun, not included in the package, need to purchase separate, and other metal materials.
Hi, I'm Shane with Hobart Welding Products. Today we're going to take a look at the Hobart Handler 140. This is a 115 volt, 140 amp wire feed welder. Features a 10-foot MIG gun. Also comes with a heavy duty ground clamp and 10-foot cable. This unit comes with a roll of flux core wire so you can weld right out of the box. Or it also includes the regulator gas hose so you can switch over to MIG if you desire. Taking a look inside the Handler 140, you'll notice the welding setup chart that makes setting your machine up properly very easy. And if we look at the industrial grade cast aluminum drive system with quick release, that also makes changeovers very quick. It also has the polarity with easy access so you can change from flux core to MIG very easily also. This machine, we have the small 2-pound roll-on, but you can also run the 8-inch spool, and it also comes with this adapter. Taking a look at the front of the Handler 140, you'll notice the slope control panel for easy visibility. Also features infinite control on your wire feed speed and 5 tap settings, allowing you to go down to 24 gauge steel and up to 1/4 inch steel. This machine also features a thermal overload protection light. In case this machine gets too hot, it will shut down and save the machine from any damage. You will experience excellent arc performance from the Handler 140 with a smooth, stable arc on all thicknesses. Designed and assembled in Troy, Ohio, USA.
Number 5 in our top 5 best MIG welder for beginners list is EVERLAST Powermate 200 MIG Welder. The EVERLAST Powermate 200 welder offers dual voltage inputs and weighs only 35 pounds due to inverter technology. It's not only MIG capable, you can also use it for flux core welding or as a stick welder. The welder arrived in perfect condition. I used the thickness settings guide on the inside of the door for a couple test welds on exhaust tubing and 3/16 angle iron. This welder creates a puddle quickly, and great penetration and weld flawlessly. This is a great welder. Super high power and runs flux core amazingly. Digital IGBT inverter design offers stable, low spatter arc performance. Arc force control adjusts arc characteristics in both MIG and stick modes. Capable of small welding when MIG conditions aren't ideal, flux core capable. Another nice feature is the digital controls that give you a nice reading of exactly what your voltage and wire speed is. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.